Hey y'all, come spend the day with me. So I am helping EJ brush her hair. She seems to always have some trouble brushing the very back, but we're working on it, and hopefully before school we get our hair cut and take some inches off, so that will make it easier on her. Then I have to take down my feeding tube stuff. Most of the time James does that, but I did it today. Then I'm going to cut up some vegetables for EJ's snack. A lot of times you see me make her a snack and not Joe a snack, but remember, Joe is 15 and he does take care of himself a lot of times. So, but I do spoil him, and that's why you'll see me do some for him as well. But if he's hungry, he just goes to the fridge or pantry and grabs something. But anyways, we're gonna get some ranch, and this is the biggest bottle of ranch ever, but we go through so much ranch. Do y'all go through ranch that much? Anyway, so that was beef jerky and not baby, but mini cucumbers for EJ. And then this is how I do laundry. It takes so much energy for me to do laundry. Like, so much. Then I had a Walmart order, and I got some milk and water and sausage for my parents, so we dropped that off at their house because you know you have to make that $35 minimum. But then we had hamburgers, so this is me seasoning them up, and yeah. Also, do y'all use tender seasoning? That one, it's the buttery one. So good, so good. But anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.